Welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. I'm Mary, and I want to start off by saying thank you all for stopping by today. If this is your first time stopping by and you see something you like, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and become part of the creatives. On today, I'm standing between the living room and my foyer. And I don't want to do anything in the living room right now, but I do want to update my foyer. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So here in the foyer, for those who follow me, knew that I purchased a table or entry table for the hallway. This one I wasn't quite happy with, so we're gonna move this one out and add another table to the hallway. So let me get my camera a little bit more straight so you can see what I'm talking about. So over here in the living room under the window, when I ended my last video, this is where I put the new table. I think it works really, really good here. And the table that I had here, I had to really do a swap. I moved it on the other side of the room, and the one that was on the other side of the room under the air conditioner is the one that I'm gonna use in the hallway. So that's what I wanna do. Plus it's Easter time, and I want to go ahead and get my hallway set up for Easter. I'm coming forward. It's gloomy outside, so we don't have a lot of light here. Actually, it is a lot of light, but not enough light for the camera. How about that? But I'm going to turn you around and give you a little look at what the hallway looks like now. And then we're going to go ahead and start to dress it up for spring or for Easter. So let's go ahead and let me switch the camera around so you can see what the room is starting like. So this is my entryway as it stands now. You can get a better look at it. And this is the little table that's here. I did purchase this for this space, but just not happy with it. We're gonna keep on until we get it right. So I decided to do wood, and that's what I have here. So we're gonna change out some of this, not a lot, just get the new table here. I wanna bring in a new rug for the front door for spring, just to dress it up a little bit. And of course, I'll change the wreath on the door outside. But this is what the space looks like now. And I'm gonna keep the coloring that I have, blue, but I'm gonna bring in all of my Easter decor. So this is the space. So let's go ahead, not waste time. We're gonna get started on moving this table out and the new table in. Let's get started. Before I can bring in new piece of furniture in, I want to make sure that everything is clean. So I'm starting up at the top of my stairs and I'm sweeping down the staircase as well as the hall or the front entry, and I'll run a damp mop over it. I want to make sure everything is clean. Now that the space is clean and smells good, let's go ahead and bring the new table that I'm going to use in the entry. This is the first table that I purchased from Amazon. This one was sitting in the living room under the air conditioning unit. For those who are interested, I will leave a link to this purchase. It was purchased from Amazon, and the cost was, I want to say, about $140. Now, this is one of the few things that I purchased when I went on my shopping haul. There was a video on that, and I will leave a link to it in the description box. But I purchased this ginger jar. Absolutely love it.
Blue.
Now, this was from Ross. And the price was $11.99
on sale at
It
Ross.
was on sale. And I think it would be a great way to bring some of that blue color into the foyer.
I also pulled out my little
Bunny. But not only did I pull out this one, I went ahead and just brought up my whole little bin of little Easter bunnies and eggs. And I'm going to pull them all out and figure out what I want to put on my little entry table. Now that all the big pieces are out, I can go ahead and figure out the layout or how I want to arrange them on the table. I'm not sure. I didn't have any ideas. I just want to get everything out and make the entry a little nice, because this is generally all I decorate. It's just my entry table, and I might put a few pieces here and there in the dining room and living room, and that's just because there's no one that really comes for Easter. My grandkids live in either Arizona, and they are young adults, and I have only one small grandson who is 4, and he may or may not come. I think the white lilies will go great in the new ginger jar with the blues, and we'll add a little bit more blue here and there. I also think I have some moss somewhere, and I'll get that and put around my bunnies. But we're gonna make it look pretty. Like I said before, I don't do much decorating for Easter, but this is how it turned out. Absolutely love it. And if you take a look upstairs, this is where I put the little table that was downstairs. My hallway is big enough for the table upstairs. So creatives, that's going to be all for this video. I do hope you all have enjoyed my little hallway makeover, and I am taking that blue into the dining room, and that will be in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification bells so you'll know when I upload my next video. I did want to change out that gray runner for something a little bit lighter, and I got this runner, and this one is a purchase from Amazon, and it was about $22. I will leave a link to it as well in the description box below. I want to thank everyone for tuning in today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.